Ramakrishna Mission Shillong celebrated the 127th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's Chicago address with the streaming of 46th annual cultural competition and the launch of the second issue of Kajingshai, a trilingual e-zine in Khasi, English and Hindi. Swami Vivekananda'S Secretary Ramakrishna Mission Shillong, in his blessings, urged everyone to exert themselves to come up with the novel ideas to propagate dynamism and vigor. He expressed the views that Swami Vivekananda's ideas we can overcome all odds, who proclaimed the concept of Sarva Dharma Samanye and broke all the barriers on this same date 127 years ago. Swami Vivekananda also mentioned that in this way, no power in this world would subjugate us and none would be able to ignore the Indians Sharad Vivek Sagar, who interacted with the participants, expressed the view that along with the hardware of technological advancement, the software of Swami Vivekananda's ideology had run through the veins of national life and must continue to run through it.